Hello third standard students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learning English subject lesson number 6 in a biscuit factory. Before read this lesson we have discussed about something else. Okay, tell me, how many do you like biscuit? Tell me. I think if I am not wrong, then we all are like biscuits. Yes or no? हम सबको बिस्किट पसंद है ना? हम लोग को बहुत सारे डिफरेंट टाइप्स के बिस्किट्स मिलते हैं मार्केट में. वो जो है क्रीम बिस्किट्स, लाइक क्रीम बिस्किट, चॉकलेट क्रीम, स्ट्रॉबेरी क्रीम, different shapes in a different shapes. Understand? Okay, you all make a list of your favorite biscuit and tell me in next lecture. Okay, now we have learned this lesson. First, a biscuit is so crisp and tasty. We all love biscuits. We get different types of biscuits in shops. They come in colorful packets. They are made in a factory. But how are biscuits made in a factory? See what he said. Biscuit is very tasty. Yes or no? Biscuit is so tasty, na? And it's so crispy. We all love. Before I told you na, we all love biscuits. We have to get in different shapes, in different colors, in shop. Where we get from? In shop. It's in different colorful packets also available. But do you think in shops from where we get the biscuits? No, no. Biscuits made in factory. How it made? We have to learn. See, get a recipe. First we have to do get recipe from the Google or from the other things. We have to make biscuits. We want first the ingredients. द रेसिपी. हमको बिस्किट बनाने के लिए पहले क्या चाहिए? रेसिपी, कि वो उसको कैसे बनाना है. सेकेंड, गेट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स, थिंग्स दैट गो इन अ बिस्किट्स. आफ्टर रेसिपी वी वांट द इंग्रेडिएंट्स. रेसिपी मिलने के बाद हमें क्या चाहिए? इंग्रेडिएंट्स. उसमें क्या चीज़ चाहिए? शक्कर चाहिए, व्हीट फ्लोर चाहिए, या क्या चाहिए वो हमें उसमें होगा. नेक्स्ट स्टेप है डिसाइड हाउ मच टू यूज वे ईच इंग्रेडिएंट्स. आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू डिसाइड टू मेक बिस्किट्स how much the quantity of sugar, of wheat flour, etc. that we use in biscuits, how much we use. इंग्रेडिएंट्स के बाद हमें क्या चाहिए कि हम लोग को जो सारी इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं उसको कितने उसमें क्वांटिटी में हमें बिस्किट्स बनाने के लिए यूज करना है, ये हमें जो है डिसाइड करना होगा. आफ्टर दैट मेक द थिंग्स एंड मेक अ डव. उसके बाद हम आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी डू, make that all the ingredients and make a dough. मीन्स सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स को मिक्स करना, उसका एक डव बनाना है. आटा गूंथते हैं ना हम लोग, वैसे टाइप में. नाउ नीड द डव. उसको वी हैव टू नीड द डव टू प्रॉपरली इन अ स्मूदी, इन अ प्रॉपर वे. उसके बाद क्या करना, हम लोग को वो उसको जो है एकदम अच्छे से गूंथना है. जैसे हम लोग को चपाती बनाने के लिए अपना आटा गूंथते हैं ना, वैसे एकदम प्रॉपरली हमें डव को नीड करना. उसके बाद व्हाट वी हैव टू डू नेक्स्ट, रोल आउट द डव. आफ्टर दैट नीडेड वी हैव टू रोल आउट द डव. सी हियर इन द पिक्चर you can see all the procedures. After that, cut out the dough into biscuit shapes. See here, we have to cut out the biscuits in a biscuit shapes: square, rectangle, circle. After that, what we have to done? Bake the dough shapes in an oven. In sorry, sorry. What we have to do? That shapes of biscuits we have to bake in a oven, like we see in the picture. After that, cool the ready biscuits. What we have to do? ओवन में बेक करने के बाद हमें क्या करना है? बिस्किट्स को जो है ओवन में से निकाल के उसको कूल होने के लिए, उसको ठंडा होने के लिए रखना है. देखिए यहाँ पे ये लोग कर रहे हैं. See if the biscuits are done baked properly. After that we have to see the biscuits like that. The biscuits are baked properly or not. It's cool or not. अंडरस्टैंड. उसके बाद हमें क्या करना है? हमें देखना है कि बिस्किट जो है वो बेक हो रहा है कि नहीं, प्रॉपरली बेक हुआ है कि नहीं, प्रॉपरली बना है कि नहीं बना है, कूल हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है. Understand? Now next step, pack the biscuits into packets. After that we have to pack the biscuits into a packet. Understand? हमको बिस्किट्स को क्या करना है? पैक करना है. Store and sell the packets. After that we have to store in a shop and sell the packets. Understand? See. What is in short, what is the method of making biscuits? Get a recipe like that. It is shown in your textbook. After that, we have to collect the ingredients. What the ingredients? And after that, we have to discuss how much quantity we have to use all the ingredients. After that, we have to make a dough. Knead a dough properly. After that we have to roll out the dough. After that, cut out the dough in a biscuit shapes. After that we have to bake in an oven. We have to keep the biscuits after bake. We have to keep the biscuits to cool and see the biscuits are proper baked or not. After that we have to pack in a different colorful packets. And then it store in a shop and we have buy from there. Understand? I hope you all are understand the lesson. Sorry. Now you can see in your textbook the recipe of the biscuits. After that you have to complete your homework. Complete the homework that are given in a workbook. See, circle the correct word. Arrange the biscuits making process in order by writing numbers 1 to 11 in the boxes. We see in the textbook there is the recipe one by one in sequence. Use that and write the answers. Match the words with their meanings. Write the answers. After that, prepare a simple flow chart for preparing and drinking chocolate milk. Take help of your parents. Understand? You have to complete textbooks question answers also. Do one thing, make a list of your favorite biscuits name and send me. Understand? Now we will meet in next lecture. Till then, bye bye. Take care.